Let's make some Christmas tree ornaments out of some mason jar rings. All you need for this tutorial are mason jar rings, some twine, and a bit of ribbon. First, you're going to measure out how much jute or twine you will need for hanging this. 6 inches or so is pretty good. Tie a knot around the ring. So let's string out a bunch of the twine. You can leave it on the roll if you want, but it's a little bit harder to work with. Now, let's start wrapping. Wrap all the way around the ring. It'll take a while, but just be patient. Maybe watch a movie while you're doing it. If you run out of twine, string out some more and tie it together. You can hide the knot on the underside of the ring wrapping. When you get back to where you started, tie a knot with the 6 inches that you have left that's loose from the beginning of the tutorial. Then tie a second knot at the end to make a hanging loop. Now let's add some ribbon. I leave about 7 to 8 inches loose so I can tie a bow easily. Wrap the ribbon as tightly or as loosely as you want around the ring until you get back to your starting point. Knot the ribbon at the front of the ring, tie a bow, and trim any excess. You can get creative here and do whatever you want. Use all sorts of colors of ribbons if you like. It'll be super pretty. And then you know what? That's it. You're all done. You can find this and other tutorials on our website. So go to rivetpatterns.com, get your free tutorials, and check out the patterns while you're at it. Happy sewing!